Today we're gonna make a super simple pasta. And to start, we're just gonna take some chorizo and we're gonna throw it into an oiled pan and we're gonna render it at medium heat. Now while the chorizo is rendering, we're gonna take these tomatoes and we're gonna chop them up into little bits. The chorizo's rendered a little bit and it's just about to get a little bit of color, so we're gonna add a tiny bit of ground beef. All the ground beef is pretty much cooked, so now we're gonna deglaze the bottom of that pan with some red wine vinegar. The pan's deglazed, now we're gonna add those chopped tomatoes. Season with salt, garlic powder, dried basil, cayenne pepper, and dried oregano. Cover, set to medium-low heat, and let simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once your tomatoes have cooked down, your sauce should look something like this. Alright, next, take your sauce and add it to your favorite pasta noodle. Give it a mix. Lastly, finish the whole thing off with a little bit of fresh grated parmesan cheese and give it one last mix. Now just plate and enjoy.